Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about polymyositis. This is an idiopathic autoimmune inflammatory which affects proximal muscles like arms and thigh more than distal muscles of fingers. Ocular muscles are not involved. Note ocular muscles are preserved here. Okay. Symptoms of polymyositis is progressive weakness, problem with ADL, its activity of daily life, brushing hairs, getting out of chair, carrying object, neck weakness. Due to inflammatory nature, symptom worse in morning and improve throughout the day. Associated with other autoimmune disease like rheumatoid, SLE, etc. Diagnosis by CPK and aldolase level, that is high, and muscle inflammation marker. Diagnosis of choice is muscle biopsy is most accurate. Treatment is by corticosteroids, prednisolone, or by methotrexate. Prognosis generally in polymyositis is good. Complication is dysphagia and ILDs, interstitial lung disease. So we have to perform anti-JAW1 antibodies, which those who are present positive means they have more chance to develop high risk of ILD. So guys, I hope till here it's very much clear for you. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, put like on it. Thank you, good day, goodbye. That's all for